Okay, what have we got? We've got the plainest brown blocks ever seen. New, made in China. I've got a pouch, looks like a belt loop. What have we got here? Some sort of a knife, perhaps? Okay. It is a multi-tool. You got yourself a hammer. Okay, then there's a lock here. You open the lock, and now you've got pliers. You've got your claw here for removing nails. Now lock that back down, and then in the handle, what's this? You've got another lock that goes this way. Okay, maybe that's for this stuff here. So it looks like you've got a few different things. You have a saw with a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener with a Phillips screwdriver, a blade. This is actually more of a serrated knife than a saw, and that's a saw. Little jigsaw kind of affair. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tools in one handy little device. I don't know what else to say about it. I kind of like that. It's kind of neat. It's like hammerhead pliers. It's all metal construction. And, it's straightforward. I knew exactly what everything did. This is the same lock on both sides, which is kind of nice, whether you're left-handed or you're right-handed. And then, yeah. I have no idea what the brand name is. There's no brand name on the box. I'll try and get one in the description. If there's anything else worth talking about, I will stick that in the description. But here we have it. The multi-tool thing.